third accused in the ambulance scandal case, Richard Jakpa, has accused Attorney General Godfred Yeboah-Dame of reaching out to him at odd hours to testify against the first accused, Dr. Ato Forson. Jakpa made this known in court during cross-examination. There is more in the following report.
Richard Jakpa is a businessman who, according to the state, was engaged as part of the purchase of the faulty ambulances. He is standing trial for counts of causing financial loss to the state. But in his defense, Jakpa testified that he had no contractual engagement with the government to deliver the ambulances. According to him, his firm only acted as an agent for the main company engaged by the government for the purposes of purchasing the ambulances. During cross-examination on his testimony, however, he noted that the Attorney General had reached out to him at odd hours to seek his testimony against Dr. Ato Forson. Members of the NDC who were in court after the proceedings expressed concern about this revelation.
We as a political party are totally scandalized and disgusted by this development. We are not surprised because we've always known that this is a stock in trade of Godfred Yeboah-Dame. This is not a man who is interested in justice or the law. This is not a man who is an Attorney General and Minister of Justice. No, this is a devious character with no honor whatsoever, no respect for justice, no respect for the rule of law, no respect for the rights of accused persons, and who always go about manipulating judicial processes to get his way at all costs. And so we are not surprised at all that today his sins have found him out.
Meanwhile, the Office of the Attorney General has been reacting to the claim.
It's very important to note that it is the third accused person who wrote to the Office of the Attorney General initiating the plea bargaining agreement or plea bargaining discussions. So if there were discussions corollary to that in respect of plea bargaining or in respect of we need or we want you to testify against the first accused person, there's nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with that. All jurisdictions do it. So there's nothing wrong with that. And we must say that there's he's not the only accused person who has approached the Attorney General in this matter. And we also have evidence to that effect. But bottom line is that according to law, something was done. And there is no scandal anywhere. There is no need for overexcitement over what has purportedly happened. The law allows it under Act 1079, which is an amendment to the Criminal Offences Procedure Act.
The case has been adjourned to next week, and Richard Jakpa will be expected to continue with his cross-examination in the case where he's standing trial with Minority Leader Dr. Ato Forson. Reporting for Citi News, Hansen Ajaman.